Hey guys, how's it going? Today it's a beautiful Saturday morning and I got a little toy for you, a little replica. This one is from the brand Cruxnut. Cruxnut. I guess that's how you pronounce it. It's off Amazon and it's a little foam blaster. Let's check it out. There's nothing really special about the box, just a plain blue box. You flip it over and it will say a few things. Manufacturer YUAN being a trading co. China. Cruxnut soft bullet toy. So let's open it up. What are you meted with? Well, it looks like I've already opened this up, guys, but I've already lost 4 of these little darts. Really cool little darts. Very small compared to what a Nerf dart is. But they look like they're going to be a lot of fun, especially for my nephew, who's about 6 years old. Looks like they probably won't hurt. They're pretty hard tipped. They're not soft, but it is a Nerf gun. So it looks like there's 10 per little square. So 10, 20, 30, 40. They send you 40 little darts. They also send a magazine. Now your little shells will actually come on this little plastic thing, and all you do is you take them and you wiggle them till they fall out. You just do that for all of them. And you can get rid of that. I loaded one of these magazines up already. It looks like it can hold 6. You can put another one in there, but look how far that spring goes down. I'd rather just do 6, and it says 1 by 6. So I guess is how much they want you to put in it. So yeah, comes with 2 magazines. One's already in the gun. So you get 24 shells total. That's nice to have. Those look like they're probably going to get lost real easily. You get a mock suppressor for your Glock, which is really cool. And you get your Glock. Other mags in there. See if it drops out. Yep, just drops out. You don't even have to pull it. That's pretty cool. So that's everything you get in the box. And let me just be the first to say, for $20, look at that. You get Glock 18, Austria, 9x19. That's pretty cool. Those are trademarks on a $20 pistol, and Glock trademarks. Glock usually doesn't let anyone touch their brand, but the fact that they're letting a $20 pistol on Amazon, or maybe they don't know that it's out there, but it's just fun because that is ultra realistic. I would say even from a distance, man, I wouldn't approach a guy that's got that on his hip. You know, then you're in within 4 or 5 feet, and then you realize it's a toy, and you beat the living crap out of them. The shells are pretty easy to load. You take one of these, you push it down or push it up, whatever you want to do. Put it in the front, push down until it's level, and that's a loaded shell. The gun itself is made entirely out of plastic. There's not a single metal part on here externally that you can feel. It is all plastic. Let's see how much bend it's got. It's pretty sturdy plastic. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy plastic. It doesn't feel like it's gonna snap on you. Oh yeah, I'm really trying to break this thing and it won't do it. But yeah, so is it childproof? Probably not, but for right now it's not breaking over some pretty hard use. I guess this side is the side they wanted people to see as the replica, you know, no screws or anything like that. You flip it over though, this is the side that has the screws. But I'd rather have those easy screws to be able to fix this if it ever breaks. $20, it should be a pretty simple machine. What's really cool about this though is that you insert your mag, you fire, and then when you cock it again, a shell comes out. Oh, look at that, a little jam, but that's kind of cool. And like I showed before, you just press the button and it drops free. Let's check it out with this suppressor on. Let's insert a new mag. Put the suppressor on it. Literally just push it in there and it should lock in. And then you got a suppressor. Looks pretty cool. I think any child or kid would like that. Extends it just a little bit. What's also kind of cool about the suppressor is you can use it almost like a shotgun pump. Holding the suppressor, you can cock it back and almost get quicker shots than going like this. Take the suppressor off, you simply just twist it or pull it. You don't really need to twist it, but makes it look more tactical to twist. As always, we'll get out the trap scale. See how much this thing weighs? This is with the magazine. 149.2 grams. Okay. 150 grams. Not bad. A decent weight to it for all plastic. All plastic, guys. Let's load up these shells real quick so I can show you how it works. So first, just pop all those out. Okay, grab your shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you want to put it in the way it tells you to, just like that. Like that in there. And basically, just like a regular one, you can push that down and load it up with your shells. And you're ready to go. Let's do a little shooting test, see how far they go. So yeah. This can also shoot gel blaster Orbeez. You load them the same way. Those get a little more distance than the darts, which is about maybe 10 feet, 15 feet worth of range, but it is very low powered. We do have the chrono here. We got a dart loaded up. Let's see how hard it shoots. .43 feet per second. 48 feet per second. So you get about 45 feet per second, which is great for a blaster, not too strong so you don't hurt your friends. But yeah, guys, I got this off Amazon. It was $20, free Prime shipping. Came with 2 mags, and I really like it because what's more fun than that shell ejecting? The shell ejecting is a lot of fun, okay? What's also fun is being able to train on it. So you can get low, take it out, cock it, drop the mag, put the new one in, cock it, drop it, and you're good to go. Altogether, guys, I think I'd get one for 20 bucks. It's fun enough. Doesn't break the bank. It looks cool. And it's fun. And that's what these are all about. It's just having fun. Any type of toy gun, in my opinion, that shoots something is pretty cool. So, thank you again for tuning in. This was Nate Dickens. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Or don't. Say, fuck that guy. I get it. But hey, have a good day.